Hey everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video I'm going to show you Realme C20 pattern lock remove. If you forgot your password, don't worry, I will explain step by step. I will explain. Don't skip the video, please watch. And first of all, power off your phone. After power off, press the volume down and power button. Recovery mode is showing. Oh my goodness, recovery mode is coming. And select the language, and I select the English language and select wipe data and type this code 8959. Okay, now asking wipe data and format data, and you touch the format data and your data is always deleted. Remind one thing, if you try this method, your photos, videos always delete. If you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you. Successfully wiped and reboot your phone.